Below the vast seas dwell some of the Earth's most magnificent creatures. Whales, the largest animal to ever inhabit Earth, exhibit a variety of sizes and shapes. These are some of the rarest whale species you'll ever come across. Some of the species in this list are only seen once in history and then never again. Boohead whales. The bowhead whale is a fascinating Arctic species known for its unique features. With a thick layer of blubber, they insulate themselves from the cold and store energy for long migrations. These whales have a slower metabolism, making them well-suited for cold waters. Their large, bow-shaped skulls help them break through ice. Bowheads communicate using clicks and chirps. Unlike the singing humpback whales, they have the biggest mouth, allowing them to take in large amounts of water while feeding. Remarkably, bowheads are some of the longest living mammals with a lifespan of over 200 years. This incredible longevity, along with their adaptability, makes them a unique and resilient species in the Arctic. Fin whales. The fin whale is also known as the second largest species on Earth. Its name comes from the noticeable dorsal fin along its streamlined body. Advances in marine biology and genetics have improved our understanding of this species. Famous for their swift swimming, fin whales can reach speeds of 25 to 35 miles per hour, earning them the nickname Greyhounds of the Sea. Despite their size, fin whales are gentle giants, feeding mainly on krill, small fish, and plankton. They use a unique feeding method called lunge feeding, where they accelerate to high speeds to engulf prey and water. Adult fin whales have few predators, although orcas can pose a threat. Gray whales. Gray whales are remarkable marine mammals. They are known for their robust build, reaching lengths of 40 to 50 feet and weighing 30 to 40 tons. These whales have a mottled gray color with barnacle patches and scars. What sets gray whales apart is their incredible migration, one of the longest among mammals, covering 10,000 to 12,000 miles round trip from Arctic feeding grounds to warm breeding and calving areas in Baja, California. Their unique features include a lack of a dorsal fin, knuckles along the back, and double blowholes producing a V-shaped spout when they breathe. During dives, their broad, often colorful flukes may be visible, covered in barnacles. Mink whales. When we think of whales, our minds often go to giants like the blue whale, but there are smaller whales, with the mink being among the smallest. As adults, mink whales typically reach lengths of 23 to 33 feet and weigh 5 to 10 tons. They have a streamlined body with a pointed snout and a distinctive white band on each flipper, known as the mink mark. However, they prefer colder waters and are often associated with ice pack edges and productive feeding areas, feeding primarily on small organisms like krill and small schooling fish. Mink whales use a lunge feeding technique, accelerating toward prey with mouths wide open to engulf large quantities of food and water. Their elusive nature makes them challenging to observe and study due to quick and unpredictable surfacing patterns. Pygmy whales. The pygmy sperm whale, a small and mysterious cetacean, is among the smallest toothed whales, with lengths of 9 to 11 feet and weights of 600 to 800 pounds. Pygmy sperm whales are rarely observed and are usually seen alone or in small groups of up to 6. While generally slow swimmers, they can speed up briefly when threatened. Notably, they possess a spermaceti organ in their head, which expels a waxy substance for buoyancy control and echolocation, creating a smoke screen-like effect when threatened. These whales exhibit unique behaviors like junking, releasing feces and stomach contents defensively. When stressed, they may eject a dark reddish-brown liquid. Despite being unusual, these tactics effectively deter threats. Spadetoothed whale. Spade-toothed whales are characterized by their distinctive beak-like snouts, noted as being one of the least known groups of mammals because of their deep-sea habitat, reclusive behavior, and apparent low abundance. No one knows why the spade-toothed whale is so rare, or if the two individuals that were spotted were the last of their kind. It's more likely, however, that the whales live in very deep waters and hardly ever washed ashore when they die.